muvitokano wa mawoni yulu wa wendekethio wa kuongelwa kwa misala ya atongo yelasa kwe silikalini ni wakusiwa kwe muthenyani wa umuthi vala athukumi asakwe kana masilikali kwe silanzama ya kulunga misala SRC kwe umuthi ya wetakana ni kumongela musala President William Ruto ni wenda muvia wa kinandu huku nikile ingi kindini mwamulo kana ikanzeti ya mevile ya misala nzamani ya SRC na mwatongoi maangwataniyo ya Azimio One Kenya ni matula muti silikali ya Kenya Kwanza maiwata uota muvango wa kuvindwa ilikosia NND kumaveta mesilia alame kumbilite ndi ya Kenya na mwayumbe kauta mailiana na muvango uwa kuongelwa misala livo chumanito ni waboni motesea.
Dhino walivoti mwenye kumanza amani ya wandikanika na SRC ni kanalame muvango ni wa kuongelwa misala yo ni mewa mangavana ayumbe maseneta memba mambungesi ya kaundi tewa thukumiangi masilikali ya vo inspekta munene wa mavisa mavolisi minisa silikali nene na tethesia mo ondhe mavani wa kuongelwa misala yo kumanona ki President William Ruto numnya mwamulo na kwenda muvea wa kinandu va Kenya hukunekilengi wendekethio lawivo wa kuongela misala kuisila ikanzeti ya silikali ya matuku kenda mwini wa nyanya mwaka wa 2023 okwisila ingi nzamani ino ya SRC kavindani kau na sundongo ikumangalekoni ya ngwatano ya Azimio One Kenya ikosoa vanene muvango wa kuongela thukumika na tongo imesala mawetakana silikali na kielelo cha uvindu ilikosia NND alama kunikita muno ni mondoki wa thukanyo va Kenya.
We also note with concern the intention to divert the public attention from the real issues by purporting to adjust the salaries of senior state officers, members of parliament, members of county assemblies, and governors upwards at a time when the country's economy is not doing well. We urge our members to reject the salary increments. We call on all Kenyans to unite and defend the values of justice, democracy, and peace for which this country has been known. As a coalition, we are steadfast in our commitment to advancing the interests of every Kenyan citizen.
Matongo yuni ndongo ya chama cha Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka imenda tongo yonthe asa kuwe meyombanye kuleana na muvango wa kuongela misala mewetakana tiwa ilu amwika makethi wa maleluni na silikali tenda kumethukisa na kuweta maundu angitaya.
This goes to all our governors, all our MCAs, right? Complete and total rejection. In fact, it's like kicking our youth on the teeth. When they have been shedding blood to have a better country, then you go and do the opposite.
Uwatiania na unena nyamuvyu nthini wa mbunge ya Senate vala maseneta makosoa vanene muvango uyu ingi maiwetani watonyeka nzama ino ya ulunga misala ikethiwa na maundu maulusani kana kuingianisia tongo hii.
It wants to increase the public discontent, Mr. Speaker, and SRC must be called out, Mr. Speaker. You remember when UHC colleagues, interns, we invited SRC here. They told us there is no money to increase for UHC doctors or JSS, but they are quick to increase money for us members of parliament to create discontent and fuel the country into discontentment of members of parliament, Mr. Speaker. SRC is abusing its own power by trying to set us against the public. And I'm happy a number of colleagues have responded to this blackmail, misleading corruption by SRC, Mr. Speaker. And I also propose SRC must be disbanded.
Na maisa itikila na muvango yu wa kuongela kwa misala ndi ya Kenya tambito veto na madhina la mevo.
I want to call out the SRC led by Lynn Cherop Megich. You are completely out of order. Completely out of order. How dare you publish salary increments for public and state officers at such a time as this?
In all honesty, nobody asked for that increment. Nobody that I know. Personally, I never asked for that increment of 14,000 shillings. Tone deaf if we are going to insist that we get that increment this particular year or next year, when the economy is in the doldrums, when many Kenyans have nothing to put on the table. So I also support the proposal by members who have spoken before me that we formally resolve that we as a Senate are not interested in any additional salaries this particular financial year.
amwe mayumbe maina tilwetina na imoneka maina na muvango uyu wa muyumbe wa kilomwe cha Matungulu wetakana maina na muvango na maina sa wetakana nimekwenda ongelwa misala ninza meno akila maendezi ni kumaingia ni sena enende kana kuweta uteti utena utethio kula mai.
Tafadhali Mheshimiwa Ruto na SRC akayuthaukia Kenya ashere mwenda ukimanithia ayumbe na mwenendi mwifanya mumongela misala ithiba imusala tunaitia na nyendio wenda na andu katete otumwa akaundini hapa nundu Kenyans maende na kuya na Kenyans meenda ona misala itu reducewe na ngakulwa misala reducewe ni kana tutonde andika alimu junior secondary school tutona iba matakitali na tuimekishwa siana ila si university sia internship ni sia kwata opportunity ya uthukuma serikalini. Hii ni siasa na twende twisi Ruto ni waite mwelekeo kwa huya kunia Kenya siasa na kuifanya eongela yumbe musala ithiba imusala tunayemwitia na aeke kutuingianisia mwenembi.
Mutongoi TV nyene Toboni Mutesia.